The Casio fx-570ES Plus calculator also allows us to find the summations of functions from one numbers to another numbers. Okay, and the button for the summations is here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this for the max input output and linear input output. Let's start with the max input output. Let's switch on the calculator. Okay. As usual, if we would like to perform calculations, we start with the container, and the container for summation is here. So shift summations, and then we can see that we have three subcontainers here. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. And the first one is for the functions x cubed plus 3x. So let's start alpha x, okay, and for cube, let's say we use this one, so shift cube and then plus 3 alpha x. Okay, so that's all for the functions, and we use the right buttons to move to the next container. Okay, so the summation start from x equal to 3. Okay, so 3 and then next, and we would like the summation end at x equal to 15. So 1, 5, and that's all. Okay, so equal, and this is the answer. Okay, and for linear input output, it's slightly different. Okay, so we start with the summations, shift summations. Okay, and then we key in the function first. Yep, the function is x cubed plus 3x. So alpha x and then shift cube plus 3x. Okay, and after that we insert the next parameter where we would like the summations to start. So we would like it to start at x equal to 3, and to separate this parameter from the functions we use comma. So shift comma and 3. Okay, and then the second parameter is where we would like the summations to end. We would like it to end at x equal to 15. So again, we use the comma to separate it from the first parameter. And 1, 5, and close bracket equal. So this is the answer. So that's how we perform summations by using our fx-570ES Plus calculator.